In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Mpix promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head to your web browser and search up Mpix promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna head over to this website, Retail Me Not. So I'm gonna click on it. So once you're here, you're gonna see many codes. So the first one is 25% off, so you can click on it. And this code right here, which you can copy, is gonna give you a 25% off. So to redeem it, all you have to do is go to this website by clicking this link, Mpix. So once you click the link, you can go to the website, choose the products you wanna buy, and use this code at checkout to get a 25% off on those products. There are many other codes as well. So 15% off wall and framing. So you can click on this, and wall saver 20 is gonna give you a 15% off on that. So you can same process, copy and use it at checkout. So now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Then you can head over to this website, Coupon Follow. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many codes as well. So the first one is 23% off your purchase. So you can click on the code, and this is the code PrinceSaver23 for a 23% off. There are many other codes, for example 25% discount, so you can click on that as well. So that's the code for 25% off. So yeah, there are many other codes as well. So another 23% off, gift saver 23, you can copy, continue to the website and use this at checkout. I'm gonna go and show you another website. So vthrift.com is another very good website. So the first one is a 50% off, so you can click show code. It's automatically gonna copy the code. To show code, and that's the code for a 50% off. So yeah, you can give all of them a try. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.